இது ஸ்டாப் பண்ணு. Hey, hi, good evening, everyone. Just let us wait for a few more minutes. Let's others as well to join. Hey, hi, good evening, everyone. Today, how many people are newly joined for the session? Any new joinees today?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Prasad.
Yeah, Sandeep, Sara, Sai, Krishna, Prasad. 3 people are Shalini. Yeah, Sai, Krishna. Okay. 4 people are newly joined. Okay, no issues. I will repeat again what we have discussed in yesterday's class. Okay. First, let me share my screen. Please confirm if you are able to see my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes, your screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Actually, yeah. To the new joinees, yeah. Myself, Lakshmi Priya, I'm having totally 10 plus years of experience and currently I'm working as a test lead Yeah, that's all about me. And actually, if you yesterday what we have discussed is that what is the purpose of manual testing? Why we need to learn the basics of manual testing. Okay, what are the disadvantages with the manual testing? The people. Someone please go on mute, please. Supriya, could you please go on mute? Supriya Tambe, could you please go on mute? Hearing some background noise from your end. Thank you. Yeah. So, and we have discussed about the automation, what is meant by automation testing, why we have to choose automation testing, and what are the third-party tools that are available for automation testing. So, okay, and why we have to choose TOSCA, why not Selenium. Regarding all these topics we have discussed yesterday. No issue. I will go and I will share you the overview what we have discussed yesterday to the new joinees. Yeah. Are you the new joinees? Are you a fresher or already you are having experience on manual testing? Or currently you are learning any automation tool?
Ma'am, this is Prasad.
Yes, Prasad.
Yeah, I'm having experience, ma'am. I'm having 8 years experience in manual. Currently, lost my job in recession, so that's why I want to learn this TOSCA. So,
Yeah.
and get back soon.
Yeah, you can easily learn within short period of time. No issues as you have already experienced on manual testing. So you can upgrade yourself. Okay, no issues with that. So we can help you out on that. So the people who are freshers, I could say that this is the best platform for you. Okay, testing domain is the best platform. Okay, where you can easily learn. Okay, the manual testing is the easiest one. Okay, where it is not mandatory that you should have to be from IT background. Okay, let it be if you are from IT background or non-IT background, or if you have any gap to your education and to the job also, no issues. Everyone can easily learn. Okay, yeah, no issues, Shalini. Whatever it may be, you are just entering into the environment, so it will help you a lot. First, try to learn the manual testing. Okay, what is meant by manual testing is that first you should have to check each and every feature. Developers will develop the applications. Okay, for example, yesterday we have taken the ICICI, this bank application. Okay, so what happens in the software industry is that, see, this is the ICICI bank. Okay, this ICICI bank having a requirement. Okay, the client is having a requirement to develop this web application in order to provide easy services to the customers. Okay, so this is given to the developers. This application is given to the developers. What they have done, what they will do, they will develop this account service, card services, loan services. They will develop each and everything. Okay, with the help, they will write the code and they will develop this application. Okay, while writing the application, while developing this application, they should have to meet the requirements of the clients. Okay, once this is done, what they will do, before handovering it to the product to the client, the developers will develop this application and hand over it to the testers. Without testers, that product will not release into the market. What testers will do? Testers will test each and every feature, every functionality of the application, okay, web application, and they will make sure that that application is a defect free. Okay, that means if you are, for example, to the fresher people I am telling. Okay, see, for example, if you prepare something food recipe in your home, let us take an example like biryani. You prepared biryani. Okay, you thought to serve it to the people in your home. Okay, to your parents or to your friends, anyone. Before serving it to your friends or anyone, what you will do, you will taste it, right? Okay, whether all the ingredients are properly in that biryani or not. Correct? That means you are testing that one. You are tasting it, and once you taste, if anything is required, you will add to it and you will make it as a delicious one. Then only you will serve to the your respective persons. In the same way also, here in the testing environment also, we will do the same. Testers will do the same. They will check each and every feature of the function application. Okay, whether this accounts A is capital or not, whether the spelling is correct or not. Once we mouse over here, whether we are getting the savings accounts, deposits, forex, ways to bank. Okay, each and everything we are checking and make sure that this application is a defect free. Okay, once you open this home page, okay, you have a requirement that accounts service should be visible. That means you need to check whether the account service is visible or not, whether that is the first service in the application or not. Okay, and it should be beside of cards. Okay, once you mouse over, the savings account should be visible. Like that, you should have to check each and every feature of the functionality. Imagine guys, what are the disadvantages if we go with the manual testing? Okay, manually I will check. Okay, that means manually we are checking each and every feature. Sometimes I might miss the saving account and I am directly check these deposits. Okay, there might be a bug. Okay, there might be some errors, there might be some defects, there is a possibility of errors in this saving account, but I forgot to check that. That means there is a chance of human errors. Okay, and imagine guys, in order to develop this application, how many days it will take for a developer to develop this application? It won't happen in overnight, right? So at least they will take minimum 1 year time to develop this application, correct? So to test this application, you should have to write minimum thousands of test cases. If you want to execute these thousands of test cases, how many people were required? How much of time is required? The client is having only 5 people in the team. Okay, and the client is asking you need to execute 5,000 test cases with 5 people within 1 week. Is it possible? No, right? So that is the reason automation comes into picture. Okay, but it is very good thing that you should have to learn the manual testing terminology. Okay, like what is meant by smoke testing, what is meant by sanitary testing, what is meant by exploratory testing. Okay, what is software development life cycle. Okay, without having knowledge on these terms, if you attend the interviews also, okay, you might clear the first round of TOSCA round, but if you attend the manager round, they will go with some terminologies you might not understand. So better learn and better have an idea on manual testing. Okay, before going to learn any automation testing, better please first learn at least have a basic knowledge of manual testing. That is what I am trying to say. It is not mandatory, but it will be better for you to attend the interview. While you attend the interviews, better have a basic knowledge of manual testing. Okay, imagine if you want to test this application, like yesterday I have told you, right? Before 10 years back, if you want to buy any groceries also, you should have to list out all the groceries and you should have to go for a shop and you need to buy all those things. But whereas now, current scenario, what we are doing, we are sitting at home and what all the groceries we require, what we are doing, we are ordering them through online. How much time it is taking? It is taking less than half an hour. So our time is getting saved. Correct, whatever the items you are required, we are getting within short span of time. Okay, what manual testers will do, they will write that manual test steps. Okay, for each and every test case. For example, this is a feature. The first test case, like open URL, verify account service is visible or not. Mouse over there. Once you mouse over here, you are getting savings accounts, deposits, forex, way to bank. Okay, this is how they will write each and every step. Okay, this is all about manual testing. Okay, and what is meant by automation? Okay, in order to automate any application, we require the third-party tools. What are those third-party tools? Selenium, UFT, Raft, and the thing which we are speaking is TOSCA. These are all the third-party tools. Okay, among all these third-party tools, why we should have to go to with TOSCA? Why not Selenium? Okay, let us consider, guys. See, for a Selenium. This is a Selenium is a free source tool. Anyone can able to learn. Okay. But if you want to learn Selenium, if you want to continue your career with Selenium, okay. For example, you told Prasad is telling that he is already having 8+ years of experience in manual testing. Okay. If he go now, if he want to search for the job in the outside in the market, there are no jobs outside for a manual tester. Only
Yes,
if you
true.
are having only manual knowledge, there is no recruitment is happening. Okay, that means no jobs are present outside in the market with if you are having only manual knowledge. So manual tester, the people who are working as a manual tester for more than 3 years, they should have to upgrade their skills. That is mandatory. Okay, they should have to upgrade their skills to automation testing. Okay, so if they are, for example, if Prasad is having now 8 years, okay, now he want to keep in his resume, okay, like 3 years of 3 to like 5 years of manual testing and 3 years of Selenium experience. Okay, let us think like that. Okay, if he has to keep 3+ years of Selenium experience, means he should be aware of all the programming languages, correct, all the programs, and he should be good enough with the Java and Python. Okay, whatever the programs they ask us to write, you should have to write. You should have to write the code. Okay, how much time it will take for them to learn this Selenium? Minimum to learn the course itself, 4 to
Months,
6
ma'am.
months it will 4 to 6 months it will require. And
Yes.
if you should be good enough, okay, if you want to survive in the market with 3+ years of experience on Selenium, you should be good enough with all the technologies, programming languages. You should be good with all these programming languages. With this experience, can he able to get the job in the outside market? For freshers, they will get, because they won't expect any knowledge, they won't expect any logics, okay, depth of programming language from the freshers. But as an experienced person, if you are having 5+ years of experience or 8+ years of experience, they will expect a lot knowledge from your end. Okay, from the first day itself, they will ask you to write the programs. While you're
Exactly, true.
attending the interviews also, they will ask you to share your screen and they ask them to write the programs.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a big challenge for the people. Okay, but why we are telling that, what is the beauty lies in the TOSCA is that why all the companies are preferring to TOSCA, and most of the people, why the people who are working as a fresher or experienced people, why these people are preferring to learn TOSCA is that the only one and only the main reason is that TOSCA is having no coding. Okay, TOSCA doesn't have, it is a zero coding. It's a scriptless automation tool. Okay, if you learn this TOSCA, entire TOSCA, nowhere you will find the coding. Okay, and Selenium will support only web applications. Now the people now outside in the market, the people are, the companies are seeing for the people who can able to automate on any kind of applications. Let it be web application, API, database, micro, mainframes, okay, Unix, Oracle, everything, whatever it might be. AI, artificial intelligence. Okay, they are looking who can able to perform multitasking. Okay, so that is how the scenario in the outside market. Okay, and coming to TOSCA, this TOSCA was developed by, this is a third party tool developed by the Tricentis company. Okay, in the year 2007. Okay, and its headquarters is located Austria, and in India it is located at Pune. Okay, it will support all kind of applications. Okay, and this AI, artificial intelligence, is a new feature. Okay, no other third-party tools till now have added this feature into their automation part. Okay, only TOSCA one is Tricentis company is the one company which has added artificial intelligence feature in the automation tool, that is TOSCA. Okay, this is completely a model based automation tool. Okay, we can able to integrate this TOSCA with Jira, HPLM, Solution Manager, Q Test, Azure DevOps, everything. Okay, and outside the third party tools for test data management, they will use Jenkins. Okay, but inside the TOSCA inbuilt feature is there, that is called distributed execution. Okay, we can able to run multiple thousands of test cases in a single click. Okay, the execution time is also very minimal. We can able to pull the reports, okay, with the proper logs. Okay, with each and every proof will be there. Okay, and data driven framework is also possible here, that is with the test case design section is inbuilt in TOSCA automation tool. Okay, and these are the certifications we are going to do as part of TOSCA. Okay, AS1 and AS2, automation specialist level 1 and level 2, these two are the basic certifications that are required as an experienced people. Okay, if you do these two certifications, it will add value to your resume. Okay, and AE1, TDS1, TDS2, the people who are having more than 7 to 8 plus years of experience on TOSCA, they can go ahead and do these certifications. Okay, till now, up to now, we have discussed yesterday. Okay, I have already shown them how. See, going further, there is a chance of replacing Selenium with TOSCA as well. Okay, because why? Because Tricentis company is having partnership with all the MNCs companies. Most of the companies are utilizing only TOSCA tool for automation. Okay, there are some projects where Selenium projects are also migrating to TOSCA. Okay, they are migrating their projects and they are automating with the help of TOSCA tool. The transitions are happening. No issues if you have. It is good. Now the current scenario is like the recruitment is happening like the people who is having manual knowledge along with Selenium. The people who are having Selenium knowledge also, they're expecting at least to have 1+ years of experience on TOSCA. Directly on Selenium also, there are chances, but most of the people are looking along with this TOSCA also. Manual plus Selenium, at least 1+ years of experience on TOSCA. So make sure if you are having enough knowledge on manual testing, and if you are currently working as a manual tester, make sure yourself that you have to upgrade your skill with TOSCA. Going further, it will be more helpful to your career as well. Okay, the openings are very much now. Okay, try to upgrade yourself and try to do complete at least basic certifications if you are an experienced people. For freshers, right now no certifications are required, but have the basic knowledge of manual testing and entire TOSCA. Okay, so that you can easily get your jobs. Okay, that's up to we have discussed yesterday. Today we are going to discuss the TOSCA versions. Every year Tricentis company is going to release. They are upgrading themselves. Okay, now the latest versions are 12 version, 13th version, 14th version, 15th version, 16th version, and 2023.1, 2023.2. Last 1 week back, they have released a new version, that is 2024.1. These many releases were there. For our practice purpose, TOSCA versions. TOSCA versions. 12th version is there, 13, 14, 15, 16. For each and every version, they're including new features. TOSCA 2023.1, 2023.2, and latest version, last 1 week back, they have released this version 2024.1. This is the latest version, 2024.1. Now currently we are working on 15th version, patch 2. Okay, these are all the versions that are provided by Tricentis company. Guys, this TOSCA tool is not a free source tool like Selenium. Okay, this is a paid tool. Even though it is a paid tool also, they are providing trial version to us. They are providing free license for 2 months so that we can register. Okay, we can register to Tricentis support portal and we can ourselves raise the license request. Once you raise the license request, Tricentis company will approve that. Then try to install TOSCA latest version. That is currently we are working on 15th version. I will share you that one. Install that one and you can start working. Okay. I will let you know how to, in today's class, we are going to discuss about how to register to Tricentis support portal, how to raise the license request. Okay. How the tool will be going to be, I will let you know. Okay. So first we will go with this one. How to register to Tricentis company. Tricentis support portal. How to register.
Ma'am, can you please record the session?
Recording is going on, right? It's recording is in progress.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. How to register. How to register to Tricentis support portal. Okay. Tricentis support. See, support tricentis.com. Are you able to see the Tricentis support portal? This is the Tricentis support portal. If you want the URLs, I will share you right now. Okay, I will make a note in the chart in here in the notepad. I will share each and every links to you. Okay, you need to go on once you open this Tricentis support portal, Tricentis support hub. On the right hand side, okay, you can able to see an option called register. Click on this register button. Okay, this page will be open. Okay, the first thing you need to do is that first try to fill all the mandatory fields. Okay, put your first name, last name, mobile number is not necessary, country, India, not required, that street number, city and zip code. Language is also not required. For time zone, you need to select Asia, Kolkata. Asia, Kolkata. Asia, Kolkata, you need to select here. Business email ID would be your personal ID. Okay, please provide your personal ID and confirm business email also. Please provide the personal mail ID and create your password. Okay, a registration code is not required for your trial purpose, trial version. Okay, once if you join to any company, then company will provide you the registration code. At the time, provide this registration code here. As of now, the registration code is not required. And then click on this, I agree the privacy and terms and conditions, and click submit this one. I am not a robot. Click on this and click on the submit button. Okay. By this, your registration will be completed. Once you complete this process, okay, you will get a confirmation email to your personal mail ID. Okay. Once you get you will get a mail from Tricentis support. Okay. In that email, you will find one link, verify me now. Okay. If you click on that verify me now, it will verify your details. Once that is done, then only your registration part is completed. Okay. Once that is done, you need to go and click on this login button. Once you click on this login button, it will ask you for the business email and the password. Okay. During the point of registration, whatever the mail ID you have given, please provide the same email ID and the password and then click on login. Okay. Then it will log in. That login will be successful. Once these two are done, you need to raise the license. Okay. Could someone please go on mute? 1 minute, let me provide the ID, my IDs. First we need to log in. Could someone please go on mute? I am hearing background noise. Okay, this page will be open. Okay, training license request. Okay, at the right hand side you will find an option called request cloud training license. If you click on this request cloud training license, an request will be sent to the Tricentis support team. Okay, once they receive the request, they will approve your request. Once that is approved, you will get the status like this. Okay, cloud deployed license state would be like deployed. Okay, and when it is got updated in June month. Okay, at which time I have created, everything will be shown up here. Okay, once they approve, you will get an email confirmation. Okay, once you get that email confirmation, just log in to your again to this support portal. Okay, and then you need to download the Tricentis. Okay, for downloading the software, I will provide you that zip file so that you can directly, I have already put it in the shared path. Okay, once you join this course, I will provide each and everything like the recording sessions, daily notes, okay, and the documents which are required to this for the installation, for how to register and how to log in, for training license request, how to, the steps. Okay, everything I will provide in the documents are already placed in the shared path. You can access to it and you can go through them. Okay, and you can start installing the software, okay, on your systems. Make sure guys, it will take minimum 4 GB of RAM. Okay, we should have to meet the requirements of the system. Okay, make sure that you are in your system you are having 8 GB RAM. For 4 GB RAM, it will occupy 4 GB of RAM. Okay, in order to install that tool. And hard disk space should be 50 GB. Okay, make sure you are having a good network connection. Okay, and it will support CPU like i5, i3, i7. Okay, make sure these requirement, your system should have to meet these requirements. Okay, if your system is having 4 GB of RAM, it will be dead slow. Okay, you can't able to work on TOSCA. Okay, make sure if you are having 8 GB of RAM, and this tool completely will takes 4 GB. Okay, now I will show you how the tool would be. Any doubts as of now, how to register and how to log in, how to raise the license request? As of now, any doubts? Take it as no. Okay, let me show you the TOSCA commander. See, this is the logo of Tricentis company. This is the TOSCA logo. Okay, here TOSCA, whenever you install the tool, it will come like TOSCA commander. Okay, you need to click open this TOSCA commander. The TOSCA commander is the heart of the, like it is the heart of TOSCA. Okay, it is a place where you are going to work. Okay, in TOSCA commander only we are going to do each and everything. Okay, whenever you open the tool, it will first check for the license and it will show you the Tricentis TOSCA 15.2 patch 2 version. It will show the version and it will check the license first. Okay. Once you open the tool, the overview of the tool will be like this. First, what you need to do is that you need to create a workspace by yourself. Okay. In order to work on the tool, you should have to create a new workspace. For that, what you need to do is that you need to click on this create new. Okay. Once you click on this create new, this create new workspace page will be open. Okay. So now what we are going to do in this create new workspace means, see, here we have to select the type of repository. Here we having single user workspace and multi-user workspace. Okay. Before jumping into this selection of type of repository, I want to tell you what is meant by this repository. Okay. How we are going to use this repository. Okay. Repository. Does anyone is having any idea in this repository? For example, I will tell you an example. Okay. Yeah. It is repository is nothing but like a storage. Okay. For example, let us think. Yeah, it's correct, Ravi. It is like a storage place. What is happening in this repository means, for example, if you think in the team you are having 3 people. Okay, 3 persons are there. Person 1, person 1, person 2. Okay, person 3. Okay, person 1 today, person 1 is able to automate 10 test cases. 10 test cases. Okay. Second person is able to create 20 test cases today, for example. And third person is able to automate 30 test cases. Okay. These 3 people are from different locations. One is from Pune, one is from Hyderabad, one is from Chennai. Okay. All these test cases, where it will be in their systems. But I want, if your lead has to check what and all the test cases you have automated, where it should be, how he comes to know how many test cases you have worked. All these 3
should be in a common place.
Yeah, it should be in common place, right? So in Selenium, what they will do, like the repository would be like they will use GitHub, correct? You need to learn Git commands.
Yes.
Correct. If you want to if you want to push the code to the repository, you should have to aware of the Git commands. Okay. That
Yes.
in order to store all these test cases. But while coming to TOSCA, we don't have any separate repositories. You don't need to learn any commands here. Okay. In Selenium, you need to learn Git commands, correct? But for TOSCA, you no need to learn any commands. Okay. It is directly inbuilt in the TOSCA. Okay. While creation of the project itself, okay, inside the project, it itself is providing a repository. Okay. Here we are having 2 types of repositories. One is single user repository, single user workspace, and another one is multi-user workspace. When we will go with the single user workspace, when we will go with the multi-user workspace means, for example, if you are alone wants to work in the project, then you can go ahead with the single user workspace. But if we consider there are more than 5 people in the team, okay, everyone should have to work on the single workspace, right? That means under the same umbrella, correct?
Yes.
Okay. For example, if your project name is Amazon, okay, if whatever the test cases you have automated, all should be under one umbrella, right? That means under one
Yes.
repository, right? So
Yes.
you require multi-user workspace, correct? End of the
Yes.
day, if you want to see what other person is working, that should be lies in the repository, right? Without under the repository, if it is not there under the repository, you can't able to see, right?
Yes.
So that is the reason we are having 2 workspaces here. One is single user workspace and the one is multi-user workspace. Here there is no code to push into the repositories. Okay, whatever the test cases we are creating, directly that will store in the repository. if you are working in the multi-user workspace. In order to work under the multi-user workspace, you need to connect with any one of the databases. Okay, this SQLite is one of the database, Oracle is one of the database, MS SQL Server is one of the database, DB2 is the database. Okay, it's depend upon the companies. Okay, and it depend upon the clients, whatever the database they are going to use. Okay, for example, if you click on this MS SQL Server database, default, okay, for if you are creating the this is a fresh project. Okay, the project is going to start from today, that is means from scratch. At the time this option won't be there. Okay, that means I am the one who is running this project. Okay, I am the one who is starting this project, but at the time you won't get this enable option. Now I am already working in this project, and if I want to add another person to my if I want to provide access, okay, to any one of the person, I can use existing repository, so that whoever new person comes into my project, I will share all my details. Okay, whatever the database I am going to, what is the database I am using, what is the connection string I am using, and once they will provide you the connection string and the database, you can click on test connection. Okay, directly you can able to access to that project. Okay, but now for trial purpose, we are going to use a single user workspace. Okay, once you click on the single user workspace, you need to create new workspace. What are the project workspace you are going to create? Where it is going to store is that it is going to store in this path. Okay, you can go on directly check this path. Okay, and select a name for your workspace. You need to give the workspace name, demo. I am giving my workspace name as demo. Okay, you need to click on use workspace template. What will happen if you click on this use workspace template, and what will happen if you not click on this use workspace template? If you click on this use workspace template, okay, see, you will get the standard modules belonging to TOSCA. I will show you what are those, what and all those standard modules. Okay, if you didn't click on this workspace template, you won't get the standard modules provided by Tricentis. Okay, without having those standard modules, we can't able to build our scripts. So make sure while you are selecting the single user workspace, click on that user workspace template, so that you will get all the standard modules, and then click on OK. A new workspace will be created. Okay. If you click on OK, a new workspace will be created. Now I am not creating because I have already created. Once you created, you will get name like this. Okay, instead of batch 2, you will get name called demo. That means a workspace. This is one of my workspace. Okay, so a workspace will be created. You need to click open this workspace. That's it. Once you create the workspace, then only an actual tool. Okay, actual look of the tool you can be able to see. Okay, once you create that workspace, okay, once you click open that workspace, see, here you are going to see TOSCA commander batch 2, TOSCA project, TOSCA workspaces. Batch 2 is my workspace name, and batch 2.tws. TWS means TOSCA workspace. Okay, this is my extension, and this will be my project name as well. While you are creating the workspace, whatever the name you are going to give, that will be your project name as well. Okay, while creating the workspace, if you give your project name at Amazon, you will get amazon.tws. Okay, under project, you can able to see your workspace name. Okay, for the new joinees, I want to show you. As I said, it is a zero coding one, correct? There will be no coding here, as I told. So let me show you that one. See, these are all the test cases which we have built in the previous classes. Okay, I will show you any one of the test cases. See, are you able to see any one of the workspaces, any coding? Any coding did you find in this test case?
No.
See, whatever you want to open any test case, you can see nowhere you can't find any coding here. Okay. If you check anything also, nowhere you will find a coding. It is easy, guys. You can easily learn. Okay. And I told you that you will get the standard modules, right? What are those standard modules means? Let me show you. See, this folder you won't get if you didn't select while you are creating the workspace. Use workspace template checkbox. Okay. Under the standard modules, you will have multiple things: basic window operations, buffer operations, everything. If you want to take screenshot, you can take directly from here with the help of this basic standard module. Okay. So these are all the standard modules, and some modules will be there, that is user defined modules that we are going to scan as per our requirement. Okay. That is the thing, guys. Any doubts in today's session? As I mentioned, guys, yesterday people asked me, ma'am, we are having Selenium classes as well. Parallelly, we are having TOSCA classes as well, right? Let me know, guys, how many people the people who are already joined in Selenium classes, and if you want to parallelly join the TOSCA also, please let us know. Okay. If you are bothering about the fee, please talk to the organization. Okay, they will you can speak with them. They can provide you the reasonable price to you, reasonable fee to you. Okay. Classes won't be overlap. Okay, as per your convenience, we will look and we will provide one timing so that you can parallelly join both the Selenium and TOSCA classes as well. Okay, these TOSCA classes will be completely 30 to 35 days of course. Okay, here I am going to teach you TOSCA along with TOSCA API. Okay, these both we are going to cover in our course. Daily recording sessions will be provided, and daily notes what I am writing, I will provide you those things as well. Interview questions will be shared with you. Okay, mock interviews will be conducted by me every Saturday. I am going to clear your doubts. Okay, assignments will be provided. Okay, and guidance for your certifications as well we will provide, and free manual classes will be going to help for you. Okay, for manual classes it will be free of cost. No need to pay anything for manual testing. Okay.
Ma'am, one question here.
Ma'am, can you show us one more time how to make the workspace? Please, ma'am.
Workspace? Yeah, sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Thank you,
going
ma'am.
forward, we are going. Let me close this tool and I will show
Okay,
you.
ma'am. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, if you have any doubts also, if you didn't understand, you can stop me there. It's a then and there, and you can clear your doubts, no issues. Okay, if you didn't understand, I will let you know once or twice. Okay, no issue with that. We will learn slowly. Okay, but this 1 week classes will be free TOSCA classes, guys, only for this week. 5 days we are going to conduct. As already the organization promised you that the people who are already joined in Selenium batch, they told that they will teach you 5 days of TOSCA classes. Please try to utilize these 5 days. Okay. See.
Madam, how to download?
Sorry.
How to download TOSCA Commander?
Yeah, I will share you each and everything. Everything is documented and everything is shared in the drive. So once you join this course, we will share you those things.
In free demo classes, not
Free. Also, I will check and I will provide you. Okay. See, somebody asked me how to create the new workspace. See, once you open the tool, you have an option called create new. Click on that one. Now we are going to work on the trial version, only single user workspace. That means only one person able to work on that project. Okay. No one can able to edit or delete anything. Okay, it will be, you are the owner to that workspace. Okay, so now we are going to work on the single user workspace. You need to select that as a type of repository. Okay, if you're going to work in any live project, you need to check what is the database they're using in the project. You need to select that one. Okay, and you try to get the connection string details. Okay, and this create new workspace is in there, right? It will automatically this is a path where your workspace is going to store. Okay, and select name for your new workspace. Provide any name as you want. Okay, as I previously mentioned, like demo, you can give whatever the name you want. Okay, and click on this use workspace template. Now I shown you the right standard modules. If you didn't click this checkbox, you won't get those standard modules. Without those standard modules, we can't able to build the scripts. So make sure while you are creating the workspace, try to check this checkbox. Once you click on the checkbox, click on this OK button. Within 1 minute or 2 minutes, a new workspace will be created. Okay, like this. Any doubts as of now? How to create the new workspace? Any doubts? Yeah, thank you.
But the single user workspace, where it is used to store, ma'am.
Sorry.
But the single user workspace, where it is used.
That is the inbuilt. Okay, that is in repository. It will backend directly. It will store in the repository. Okay. It will be it will be stored. Okay, no issue with that one.
Local systems.
Yeah, in your systems it will be stored.
Okay.
Once you create, you will get the workspace name. Okay, like this. This is my workspace name. Once that is get, you need to click on that workspace. For the first time you are creating, directly it will open this page. Wait, let it load. Directly you will get this page. Okay, this is the actual tool.
This is the completely standard module, I think so.
This is standard modules. These are the standard modules. There are some user defined modules also.
Ma'am,
While you are
which
going
option
further,
you have selected for this to open the standard module?
I didn't see when you open the workspace, defaultly you will get this one. Okay. Under module section, it will be like this. If you expand this module section, you will have this folder. Defaultly, it will be there. Okay.
Well, here, which database we are using here?
Here we are not going to use any database.
Now, while
Okay.
creating the module, also we will be able to create any database.
Sorry, your voice is not clear. For single user workspace, no database is required. If you're working on a multi-user workspace in live projects, there only you require the database. Okay, I already told why the database is required, because as I told you, right, if you want to push your code in your Selenium, you require git commands. Okay, but in order to store in TOSCA, if you want to store all your test cases in the repository, you need only the database connection. That's it. If you want to, that is also required for only for multi-user workspace. Guys, already if anyone want to join to this TOSCA course, already organization has provided in the chat one link. You can register to that link. Okay, please fill that form. And if you have any doubts regarding fee structure, anything, you can directly connect with them. Okay, the people who are currently learning Selenium, if those people also want to join these TOSCA classes, okay, if you have any issues with the fees, please reach them. Okay, they will let you know each and everything. Okay. Any doubts as of now?
None from me.
Someone is asking how to download it. Okay, I will, let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. I will show you. Okay, no issues. Quickly, I will show you. You see, in product support, you will have Tricentis TOSCA. Click on this Tricentis TOSCA. Okay, you will have downloads. From the
Ma'am,
downloads, if you click on this downloads, you will have all the versions. Okay. Could someone please go on mute? Okay. Once you click on those downloads, you will have Tricentis TOSCA. All the versions will be available here. See, Tricentis TOSCA 2024.lts. This is the latest version. Don't go with the servers. Okay, wherever you found as TOSCA, try to install them only. Okay. See, this is the latest build. This is the latest one, as I mentioned earlier. From here, you can directly click here. It will be downloaded. Don't download TOSCA server. Download only TOSCA 1. Don't try to install latest versions because some upgrades will be, deployments will be happen. Don't go with this TOSCA 2024.1 LTS. Try to download 16th version or like that. Okay, 15 or 16 version. Anything would be fine. Is it clear? The people who will join the class, I will directly share you the zip file. You can directly download and install it. Okay, no issues. No need to go to the here downloads and no need to download from here. Okay, I will share you the files. No issues. Any doubts, guys, as of now? Are you clear? Any doubts? Please try to register to the links they have provided in the chat. Okay, please fill those forms. If you have any doubts, please reach to organization.
Ma'am, actually, I'm learning the Selenium presently. If I join the TOSCA, how can I search for the job? Which is the
See, Umarani, if you are learning Selenium, and if you want to learn parallelly TOSCA also, and later point of time how you want to search the jobs. Okay, while learning the course itself, you can able to understand which is the easiest one. Okay, which course you're easily able to grasp it. Okay, how much time it is taking for you to understand which is easy one. Okay, and you try to attend the interviews. Okay, then you can able to understand which one you have to choose. Okay, within 1 week you can able to understand which one is the easiest one, whether the Selenium is the one or the TOSCA is the one. Okay, by yourself you can understand. By within these 5 days you can able to understand which one you have to choose, whether you have to go with the Selenium or TOSCA.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, no issue. Please try to install 15.2 version, patch 2. Okay, 16 version also would be fine, no issues. Any doubts? Is everyone clear? Okay. Shall I take it as no? Yes, recordings will be shared to you. Okay, organization will share to you. No issues. It's already uploaded as well. If you want to go through the videos, you can go ahead. If you have any doubts, please make a note of them and please come with those doubts tomorrow so that we can clear in tomorrow's session. Okay. Yeah, everything we will provide you, no issues. Right away. See, I have provided the links right now. If you want, you can go ahead. These two were the links. Okay. This is a support portal link. From there, you can register and log in. And this is a link for the second link is for the license request one. I hope everyone got that message, right? Did you people get that URLs? Yeah. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks for joining.
Yeah, hi Ashok. Could you please end the session?